Myofascial Cupping Practitioner course is a Gateway Workshop's practical and professional online course, which provides you with the skills and knowledge to become a qualified myofascial cupping practitioner. If you are a qualified therapist with a level 3 in massage and anatomy and physiology, this is a brilliant extension to your training. Myofascial cupping is a soft tissue therapy, which is an extremely effective method of healing in the body through the use of negative pressure created by suction. Based on ancient Chinese methods, this involves the application of decompressed cups on the skin, creating a vacuum effect that lifts up underlying tissues such as the fascia, muscles, blood, and other fluid close to the surface of the skin. Following the course syllabus, you will learn what myofascial cupping is, the benefits of myofascial cupping, conditions often helped by myofascial cupping, how to safely carry out myofascial cupping treatment, and more. You will be provided with your own personal area on our professional, easy-to-use learning platform. And upon successful completion of this course, you will receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate. And as this course is insurable, you can add this skill to your client offerings and charge for your services. Join the thousands of students who have trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. And sign up for the Myofascial Cupping Practitioners course today. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.